What's going on, guys? It's roughly 8 p.m. right now, and we're actually going to be heading to the Just for Fun meet. Hopefully the new location has a good lighting so I can show you guys the cars. And I need to take that side skirt down and bring it down because my friend's actually going to come down from, I forget where he is, and then he doesn't bring it up for the guy that bought them. So yeah, last time seeing the side skirts, waited 3 months for them, but gotta move on. So I'm just gonna warm up the car, pull the car out, and load everything in. And also I did sell some like random single cam parts like my head and stuff, so gotta put that in the car also and bring it all to the meet. Let's get this drive started. Hey, later. Damn, badass. Wait, what the hell is this yours? Huh? Yeah. Is this yours? No. Yeah. How many cars does this fucker have?
Fucking too many.
Yeah. Alright, later, dude.
Alright, later.
Wow. Static boys. Yeah, he has everything, dude.
He does.
Dude, he has a lot of cars. That's all you need to know. He has a lot of cars.
The E-Class Mercedes. He just bought an E34 line.
He has too much shit.
Hey. What's up, dog fight?
What up, dog fight?
What up? How you been?
Good, good.
How's the car?
Good. The EF. R&Rs. Oh, that's weird. Interesting rear lip. Oh, and side skirts.
Yeah. Hey, how often do they do these?
Do what?
These car meets?
It's like I think we're doing like every. So I'm driving back home right now for the meet because someone that drove down, I think like 2 hours away, his radiator busted, and since I live like 10 minutes away from the meet, I decided to just drive back home so I could get him the new radiator and let him drive home because nothing's open. So you know, there's just that peace of mind. You help somebody out later on in the future. It's always good karma. So yep, gonna go pick up the radiator now, and yeah, kind of not really speeding, but it would be good. Then I'm driving my car, guys.
Put the antifreeze tag.
You have to fill it up with.
You messed up, man. You want to go save this guy with the radiator and you're just being an ass now?
With the zip ties.
Huh? You supplied him with the zip ties?
Antifreeze and JB whip.
Hey, bro, why aren't you looking at me?
Speaking of that, I'm gonna try and go home.
You wanna go home right now?
Yeah.
Hey, good luck, dude.
For sure.
Don't overheat.
You know what's tripping me out right here?
Oh, track light wheels. Oh shit, I was supposed to give you your sticker. I have it in my car.
Oh, okay.
I'll go pick it up in a bit.
Pulls up to work with this.
How's your car running? Good?
Yeah.
Hey, did you still want my throttle cable?
Why, you still have it?
Yeah, it's been sitting in my fucking toolbox. Huh? Wait, oh, this is Carlos's.
That shit is so cool. Like, bro, please tell me you get it. My brother got this one. He stole it from someone else.
You got a really nice CRX, but you can't even fucking drive your own car. Like, it's not even running. That's depressing. Did someone call me? No? What? Oh. What? To grab some stickers. Ooh, Mr. Laguna, man. What's going on, guys? So a couple days have passed and I finally got my wing back from paint. It is right here. Now, right now on the camera, it looks like it's slightly lighter, which I think it is, so I'm not too sure if it actually matches until I put it on the car. And you can tell right here, the fender is darker. So if it doesn't match, I mean, it's fine for now, but right now it doesn't look like it. I already put my gas cap back on. I'm just gonna put this wing on real quick. Well, put the third brake light in real quick, and that's it. But besides that, they did a really good job. It's just the color is slightly off, but we'll see once we put it on the car. Okay, also, I did get my new tires. 545 16s. The reason why I got 45 series for the 16s is because I want to remain at this height. So with the 16s, or with the 45 series, my car will sit the same height. And hopefully I don't have to adjust the fitment. I don't think I need to, unless, well, most likely I have to add a little bit more camber in the rear because the wheels are more aggressive when I get them. I don't know if you guys will even see this, but I did end up using some ultimate compound super gloss before it was all like dirty, but just little things.
If you wanna have it, then it's yours. Put your mind to it, open doors. Yeah, you might wanna get a fast track.
And there we have it. Color match, it looks so much better color matched. Now I just have to go get some double side tape to put the emblem back on, and it should be good. From over here it looks like it's slightly lighter, but from the other side it looks fine. No, you can tell it's slightly lighter. I'm just gonna pull the car out and see it later, but for now, I mean, I like it a lot. Looks so much better, flows a lot better. It really needs that badge on there though. And can't wait for the new wheels. I think, where did I put my badge? I think my badge is in the trunk. Slowly but surely, guys. But that is it for this video. It's just a random short video, and just for fun me, put the wing on, got it painted. That's about it. So don't sell this, just keep building. Check out the stickers on my site if you guys haven't, and peace out.